Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the video on the 2007 John Deere 315 skid steer. 734 hours. Has auxiliary hydraulics right here. General purpose bucket, quick release on it. Pretty nice unit. We're going to go ahead and fire it up and let you see how it goes. Got to make sure the seat belt is fastened. Here's the seat belt. We're going to fasten it. Next step, turn the key, make sure it's in park, and it should fire up. Let's see. Oh yeah! Controls. These are just the joysticks for forward, reverse, and turning. Let's see, what else? No, nothing on in here. It's all clear. That's the brake here. On and off. Auxiliary hydraulics. Yeah. Alright, that's it. I'm in jail. That's it. Gotta go. Check it out. Buy it. Bid on it. Bye.